Say that again.
Wow.
He's doing a 3x3. I'm doing a 4x4 and a 3x3.
Sick.
Good camera angle or what? W Dutch angle?
I low-key can't see the Cuban. Wait, no, this is good.
You could also see the car.
Oh my god, bro.
Worse at the same time.
Armies, the world's crispiest fries.
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
I could give the countdown to when to start.
Ew, bro, Will, you're like the one picture.
I don't know what you're talking
The
about.
one reaction picture where he's holding with the at the chessboard. Or whatever. Alright, when are we gonna start?
You both ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, I'll give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
I
Let's
almost pulled it out of frame. This camera angle is gonna be distracting.
I ain't even looking at it.
Or like the way I'm recording is physically like not good.
Nice. Oh, I almost popped it. That would have been horrible. Fuck! I got parody.
All the pieces fall on the ground.
Bro, I got double parody. This is some bullshit.
Bro, my hands are sweaty. This isn't fair. I'm getting nervous. I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Ah, I did it!
Will got it. Dude, look at Diego's stuff. It's so fucking close being done. Holy shit.
Yeah. Keep doing that one.
Oh, that's not the... There you go. Oh, where's it going?
You win this one.
107.
Listen, man. I wasn't ready.
My hands are
ready.
shaky.
Dude, I could tell you both were
My
like...
hand was actually like slipping on the cube.
Right. You both ready again?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, I dropped it. No. Dude, this 4x4 is actually like scary to use. It keeps wanting to snap on me. I can feel it.
Bro, I'm like camera shy. My fucking hands are shaking.
It is weird. This is gonna be the first live footage of a Chuckle brother. I got parody again. This is some
Yes, we're real.
ass. We are not AI.
Well, one of us is. We're not gonna say who.
Oh! I got it.
Fuck, Diego was close.
Diego, I'm done.
There we go.
Whatever, bro.
Damn.
Whatever, bro.
What was your time? What was your time? What was your time?
115.
Can't fucking
What was
see.
yours?
105.
Man, let's do best of 5.
Fuck it.
Let me try to at least get one on the board, bro.
One of those solves might have been PR. Who knows? I was on like a hot streak. Okay. Diane, I'm ready.
Diego.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Diego, did you deafen the rest of them?
Nope.
Okay, yeah. Me neither. I think that's funny. The VC sounds so dead without music playing. Feels weird. Like I'm not supposed to be here.
You're not, bro. Can you like see yourself out?
Yeah, after I win. I'm not done yet, don't worry. I'm close though, I'm on the 3x3. No! I missed a free F2L pair. Frick.
Done.
No!
Done.
I was so close. What'd you get?
Let's go.
106. What'd you get?
Oh, I got 108.
Let's go.
Darn, bro.
One award for Diego.
2-1.
2-1.
Don't let me get hot now.
Yeah, I don't want you to. That's actually kind of scary.
The best time I got earlier was 101. My hands are actually clammy.
Yeah, dude. I feel my hands are like pruny. Okay, I'm ready.
Diego, is your camera ready on you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
I almost forgot what I had to do. I can't let Diego get hot now.
I can't let you get close. I lost. Bro, I lost.
Confidence.
Bro, let me not. I almost started yelling. Will, you already won, bro. I'm not even done with the second layer yet.
I just finished 4x4. That was so fast.
I'm cooked.
Come on, give me sub 1. Give me sub 1. That was so good. Okay, I'm done, but I got a minute flat .18.
Yeah, there is no way I was beating that anyways.
Oh. Dude,
Well,
nerve-wracking. You won that time. And I was
GG.
like, oh.
See you guys in fucking 6 months, I guess.
Yeah.
GG.
Loser bracket, here we come.
Let's see who be playing.
Oh, my
It was
God.
close. It's just
Yeah.
he got too warmed up on the 4x4.
So, Will, you be playing Tanner, and
I'm gonna turn
Diego,
back on my PC now.
Diego, you're gonna be playing Bobby or Bradley.
Oh, great.
Elephant green screen effect.